Today it's Everton against West Bromwich Albion. Well, the game isn't played on paper, but on paper they do look pretty level, these two sides, in terms of ability.
Yeah, that's right, and I'm sure the two...
Well, we're going to keep a special eye on Everton today as the game gets underway here. Leighton Baines. Baines. Jagielka. Hibbert. Fellaini. Good ball. He takes the shot.
He stopped the first shot.
In those circumstances, the referee's had a good look at it, but he's decided, fair enough, he's played the ball and not really touched the man, but it could have been dangerous. It's long. Just a bit of a test of his balance, but he passed that test, and it's gone out for a throw. Odemwingie. Well, they're in a good position here. Good ball. Oh, in goes the cross.
Oh, he saved it. It's still in play.
Fellaini. Long-range effort. Super diving save. That would be a corner for Everton. Goes for goal! And into the goalkeeper's midriff. Long. That's neatly done. Good challenge by the defender. Very good control, though. Fellaini. Hibbert. Brilliant pass there. It's a long shot, and it's a long, long way wide.
Collective groan from everybody there. What a poor decision.
Stopping the pass getting through with a good piece of anticipation. Pina. Baines. Good thrust by the player on the ball. And the shot's on. The ball with the Everton player. Now Phil Neville. And here's the shot. That's an easy save for the keeper. Keeps it going well. They're passing it well here. Quick ball. He's got space. Well, that was out of control, really. That's a good pass. It's a slide tackle. Gibson. Osman. And they're working well as a unit, maybe getting one or two extra midfield players back to help out as well. He's going to cross it. On the volley. It's a tight call. And play stopped because of an offside.
Yeah, you look at it, there's no doubt about it. He went too early there.
Maybe the future for Everton in terms of being a successful future, Alan, depends on moving from Goodison Park.
Yeah, I mean, the obvious solution, you would imagine, Liverpool want to move as well, would be to share a ground in Stanley Park, but I don't think that's going to happen, and Everton struggling to raise the funds and find a site, aren't they, to move ground.
That's a decent challenge by the opponent. In it goes! And that the flag is up, it has gone out off the player. And Everton have got a corner. Strength needed to hold off the opponent. Got past his marker. And the defender's there in the right place at the right time as the cross came in. It's long. In with the challenge. Everton come away with the ball. And the defender saw the pass and dealt with it with a good interception. Over to Gira. Defenders need to be on their toes now. Oh, he's beaten his marker. Something could be on here. What a pity. It's Everton who are hoping to play with the sort of edge that gives them results even against the odds. It's difficult today. It's not really favourites or underdogs here. Pretty evenly matched.
Yeah.
And hits it. And he scores. Outside the goalkeepers redressed that. It's a good goal with the low shot.
Well, a wonderful goal. When he gets the chance, he makes full use of that opportunity with a wonderful touch. And as for the finish, well, there was never any doubt, was there?
So after the goal, we've opened the scoring here, 1-0. Osman. Into the attacking third. Philip Neville. And in it goes. And it's a heading chance now. And it's an equaliser for them. Perfect jump. Terrific contact. Wonderful goal.
Well, the power on the header just made it impossible for the keeper.
If you've got a header with a ball like this on your side, it's a great option. You can swing the pass in and you always know he's going to compete. And what a finish that was.
Well, that was the equaliser, and it's 1-1. Well, there might be a break now for them. Pina. Good reading of the by anticipating the pass. Ridgewell. And now a throw-in. Now Gira. Liam Ridgewell. Good pass. Might need more back here to curb this piece of attacking play. Got to get more men behind the ball, I think. Reed. Well, he's got support here. Here's the cross. Really responsible defending at a difficult time for his team. Well executed. Oh, in goes the cross. Trying to cut off the supply lines by blocking the cross. Well played there, the defender. Going for the ball. The ball with the Everton player. Morrison. Passing the ball nicely to get onto the attack here. The attack was thwarted and the opposition are now on the ball. Osman, West Bromwich Albion have gone and got the possession back. That was a dangerous attack and the defender's done well to deal with it. Everton come away with the ball. He's cut it out well. And the ball with the Everton player. To Gibson. That will stop the attack. Ridgeway. Everton come away with the ball. That was an interception that really worked for his team. Good ball. But there was real danger there until the defender stepped in. Oh, it's a great chance. You can have a crack here. Oh, terrific reactions from the goalkeeper. Just got there. And that's gone for a corner for West Brom. Well, they just can't get the ball away. It's another corner. And he heads it for goal. Right player in the right position, but not the right effort at goal.
You do expect better from that lad. Normally does trouble the keeper from those kind of distances.
Distan. Pina. Baines. Jagielka. Hibbert. Osman. It's Everton's turn to attack. Crosses in. Well, I have to say that the cross was wasted. The opposition will get the ball back here. Shane Long. Slides in. Well, there's room for the player here. Guerra! Clean in at the goalkeeper. Just couldn't get it on target.
Well, he's on his own there and he's done all the spade work himself, just couldn't produce the finish.
Sylvain Distin. Pina. Fellaini. Keeps it going well. He's going to cross it. Well, the danger was considerable, but it's over now. That could have been very dangerous for his team, but the defender has served his side nobly. Pina. And it's played down the touchline, really, by Baines. And the attack coming now from Everton. When he played the first ball, he demanded a return pass, and he's got it. That's a good pass. And the cross coming in. The defender didn't have to move to cope with the cross. No time for an extra touch after the tackle. It's out of harm's way. Shane Long, the fourth official, has signalled just one more minute of added time. Good ball. I thought that attack was actually going to lead to a chance, but maybe it's easier to see from up here than it was down on the pitch. That's been the way his game has gone today. His passing's been spot on. They're passing it well here. Well, they're in a good position here. Quick ball. Here's the cross. Looked uncertain, but somehow he's got it away. Well, everything to play for in the second half. We've reached half-time at 1-1. Well, it's very close, this game. Great one to watch. And the possession pretty even as well, Alan.
It is. It's difficult to call a winner at this stage. The game is there to be won.
Wingy. Baines. Just found space in the wide areas to get a cross in. And it's going to be a goal kick. Gibson. Everton on the attack. Pina. Saw it coming, cut it out, good work. Morrison. Sylvain Distin. Hibbert. To Gibson. Leighton Baines. Gibson. Defenders on full alert here. Now it's a throw-in and a chance to keep going forward. To Gibson. They've worked that well to get the cross in. Well, there wasn't the difficulties that the cross seemed to cause in the end, and away come the defensive team. And Reed. Morrison. Well, he saw the guy could switch the play to and came up with the pass as well. Excellent. Odemwingie. Good pass. He tried the back heel, but the interception. Fellaini. Makes a challenge here. And the ball with West Bromwich Albion again. James Morrison. He's given the ball to his teammate, but not for long. He's got it back. Manager thinking for the away side, time for a change. Now the counter-attack could be on here. He's got space. He takes the shot. Oh, he saved it. It's still in play. We do get caught out with the speed of movement, but that definitely was offside. Well, we're still level here, and we're going to have a substitution. Is this the way to alter the match in their favour? Pina. West Bromwich Albion have gone and got the possession back. Check on the number of shots that each side has had. And that's changed the direction of the play, and they can break quickly now. There was a lot of speed and sharpness in that counter-attack, but it wasn't quite enough. Read the intentions of the opposition there to make that interception. Leighton Baines. Pina. And this is going to be a throw. Pina. Tried to work the ball wide, but didn't get the accuracy he wanted. Just lost out. Long. Fellaini. Ridgewell. Reed. James Morrison. Now Reed. That was an interception. It really worked for his team. Went for the cute pass.
You've got to try it.
Odemwingie. It's a good move for the attacking team, this. Well played, the defender, to deal with that as the danger loomed large. Great opportunity. Here's the shot. Oh, a good goal, and now they're a goal to the good. And he's got his second goal of the game, and it's very well taken. So a goal with Everton leading here. Stephen Reed. Odemwingie. Good ball. It's a good ball, they could be in. Well, that's what defenders are there to do, I suppose, but the Could have been a better cross. That hasn't troubled the keeper. Pina. Fellaini. Confident and quality on the ball. Now the defender's been called into question really by this attacking build-up. Morrison. Possession facts coming up for you on the screen. Odemwingie. He's found his teammate. Well executed. Good interception there to stop the danger. Very well done. He's got past his marker. Surely! He goes for goal! Has to score! And he scores spectacularly! It's a goal and it's a superb one.
Well, how many players have they got capable of scoring? Too many for the opposition. Oh, top marks to the striker, Martin, because he's taken a chance there. He's gambled on the keeper spilling it, and when he did exactly that, it was a simple enough chance.
And the scoreline is 3-1. Here's Reed. Stephen Reed. Reed. Odemwingie. Intercepted the play, saw the pass coming. Good ball. Got him into a very wide area to show his crossing skills. So they can regroup now and a goal kick. Phil Jagielka. Baines. On paper, when we looked at it, Everton seemed to have a bit of a problem here, a really big challenge. Well, they've blown the opposition away. It's one of their best performances, and goodness me, they deserve to be this far in front. That's gone out for a throw-in. And now we're going to have an alteration. Gibson. Reed. Stephen Reed. And they play it wide now. Quick ball. West Bromwich Albion have a corner now. Corner's always a possibility, but not necessarily a probability. And it didn't happen for them this time. In it goes. Defensively, they're very sound. Although they would like to stop the cross coming in the first place, I think. And we have 9 remaining minutes. Well, here comes a substitution for the away team. Yusuf Malumbu. Nicely done between the two of them. He's put it in very dangerously. And that is now a goal kick. Well, this is the change now that they hope will make the difference. Try to get them back into the match. They're bringing on another striker.
Yeah, they're just going to make sure they get good service from the flanks to him to make it pay.
Distin. Everton get the advantage from the referee here. Here's the shot. And there it is, the goal. Still going strong, right to the final whistle. They've got a late goal here. You never know, there might be time for another.
I think if you're a striker, you'd fancy yourself to get on the score sheet. A great chance to increase your goal tally.
And here we are with a massive scoreline, 4-1. They're passing it well here. It's a good way to nick the ball back. Quick thinking. Fellaini. And it's with Brunt. Odemwingie. Keeper kept it out. Pina. Yassine El Ganassi. Good pass. And the cross coming in. To Gibson. Osman. Fourth official has indicated only one added minute. Now here's a chance to get forward quickly. Brilliant opening. Well read by the defender to intercept. Excellent interception. Well, that's a fantastic clearance. Never much doubt about which team was going to win this one. The referee has blown the final whistle. 4-1 to find the